All right, so we're back again, people. MG Sports TV. Big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much for tuning in again. So I want to speak about Dennis Strong. The JFF dilemma is just always ongoing. Things always happen. Be issues all over, right across the board. And the Reggae Girlz one is one metal says a unique one, very very unique, and a lot of people are talking, and there's actually a lot more there too than what we're seeing here that meets the eye. A lot more there, and everybody switches. So once JFF is involved, it's easy to pick side against JFF. Very very easy to pick side against the JFF without even context. First thing do a pick side against the JFF. Generally 90% of the people, this Jamaican football supporters, that don't like the JFF, so easy to pick side them. Anyways, soon touch on that. I'm gonna touch on that next video. So for now, we're gonna touch on Dennis Strong. The big question is Dennis Strong the bad guy? Is he the one who's causing all the problem in JFF? Is he the one who's making the Jamaican football suffer? is he that person? I think he's in job maybe about a year now, or maybe a little bit over a year or so. Because just what the I think that Dalton Wint lost the role, and within a year time, apparently they want Chung to leave. So the big question is Chung really the problem? Now, yes, we can. It's evident that he has done stuff that players that don't like, because you'd have heard players speak about him. He has done stuff where the fan base, the support base don't like. But the question is he really ultimately the bad guy? No, in recent time, maybe just a few days or a couple of days ago, maybe a day ago or so, I don't think a day ago, big meeting at keeper JFF. Dennis Strong not involved. I don't know, as the General Secretary of the Jamaica Football Federation, big meeting at keeper, you're not involved. Is the meeting about you? Yeah, you have to ask that question. But look into this now, people. If in fact, alright, before we touch on that, one of the reasons why the previous Gensec was ushered out of the job was because of incompetence, lack of man management, lack of handling of the documentations, all of those aspects. And remember what happened, I don't remember exactly where. The Reggae Boyz were on away duty, and big thing went down with Paul Hall and a lot of things. And they picked side, everyone stuck around and stand with the players. And they said, hey, Dalton must go. Dalton would step down. Now, months later, we're seeing similar, if not the same amount of, well, not so much, but similar types of incidents reoccurring. Traveling issues, team underprepared, going away to partake in international duties. So the issues still slightly remain the same. One and two issues have cleared up. But still have documentation issues, failure to purchase ticket for players, and all these things. So these, and then now the JFF is coming under problems for it. They're coming under a lot of pressure for it. But it all stops at the foot of Dennis Strong. That's where it all stops. Because at the end of the day, he's the one who's running operations. He's taking care of basically everything. And if you're not taking care of some things, you are going to come under hot water. You are the first person to come under hot water. Technically, I do think that the president should have a say in it. He should be one of the persons who's been getting all some of the whipping as well. From the old slavery lash. Anyway, move away from that. But the question is Dennis Strong really the problem? That's the question. I know I'm looking at it, I'm like, these problems were there before Dennis Strong came in position. Now Dennis Strong is there, who I think maybe is one of the better talking. Like, he's really good at talking. If you should sit down with him 1v1, he can talk himself out of any problem. Because he's good. He's a good communicator. But the problem is, these issues still remain. Now they have a meeting, he's not involved. Are they looking to give him the boot? Are they looking to give him boot? And if so, why? I'm not going to come here and speak like I know every details of what's happening behind closed door, because I'm not in those meetings. Those meetings are meetings that involve bigger heads. And if I should know any of those details, it must have meant that either me I clashed with the bigger heads them, or one of the bigger heads them I carry information can give me. So I have none of the information. I don't know who I go on. I can't tell exactly what is going on. The reason why they want to get rid of if they want to, or if the meeting was about them, then it's wrong. But what I can do say from outside looking on, it's not a good look. It's definitely not a good look. And now the blame, most of the blame would have dropped at the foot of Dennis Strong. Then now, let's have a look at this now. This is going to be a bit far off and very, very far-fetched. But listen to this now. I'm going to give it to you guys in layman term. So boom, you have 5 persons working together. You have 5 persons working together, people. And if these 5 persons have been running an organization a particular way for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, they have running the organization a particular way. Then a 6th person get involved, and this 6th person wants to do something different. And doing something different would have highlighted maybe issues that no one would have known about. So that 6th person, it's easier to get rid of that 6th person rather than the previous 5 who have been there in a longer time. So the question is he the problem, or is he gone in a situation where he's trying to fix something that is unfixable? If that's even a word. And now he's been ousted out. Usher him out. Hey, usher him out. Is that the case? Listen, people, as I said, I don't know what's happening in there. I have no information that those meetings and those things are strictly between bigger heads of the JFF. So I can't come here and speak as if I know exactly what's going on. But look into context, people. If he's the one that they're trying to get rid of so fast, and we can't clearly say that, boy, you have done so many things wrong in so many aspects. We can't say that we can clearly identify some things that he did wrong. But all those things, haven't we seen those stuff already? We have seen most of those things already. So what is the eagerness if they want to get rid of him? What is the eagerness now to get rid of him? Look into it, people. Really, really look into it. Something could be wrong. Something definitely could be wrong. Think about it. People, as I said, think about it. Use your head. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Tell us what you think. If you have any inside information, let me know. I don't, so educate me, people. Please do so. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. And have a good day, people. God bless. I'm out. MG Sports TV. Boom.